What's up guys, Andre here of Yugatech, and as promised in our unboxing video, we're going to be taking a closer look into the Huawei Nova 8i's features. And for a mid-range smartphone, it's got some pretty powerful stuff that can give you quite the experience. The Nova series has always had a strong focus on cameras, which is why the first feature we're going to check out is the Nova 8i's 64-megapixel AI quad camera. In total, the Nova 8i has 5 cameras. At the rear, we get the 64-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel ultrawide, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. And in the front, we have a 16-megapixel selfie camera. This selection provides a whole lot of flexibility, allowing you to easily shoot different kinds of scenarios. And since you have the advantage of having a 64-megapixel main camera, you're able to capture crystal clear details. But not only is the resolution high, but the sensor itself is also larger. It's a 1 to 1.7-inch sensor, which is the same kind used way back when Huawei released the P20 Pro. That's an impressive flagship-grade camera sensor in a mid-range smartphone. By having a bigger sensor, the Nova 8i is able to capture more light, giving you brighter, clearer shots with fine details. To take full advantage of this, you can go to the More section of the camera app and select High Res before taking your shots. This will give you a direct output of 64-megapixel high-pixel photos, which will really bring out the details in your subjects, as you can see here. However, it wouldn't be Huawei without some night photography capability. The Nova 8i also gets the Super Night Shot 2.0 feature that will really enhance low-light outdoor scenes, such as cityscapes and street shots, which you will be able to achieve with reduced noise and added details. As you can see here, it can be a powerful tool in the arsenal of any smartphone photographer. Let's also check out the HDR mode and aperture mode, which can also be found in the camera app. These are absolute essentials for portrait photography, as aperture mode allows you to control the depth of field you get in your shots, giving a rich bokeh effect. On the other hand, HDR mode will give you the clear and bright portraits you expect without having to worry about your subject being against the light. Next up, we're checking out probably my personal favorite feature of the Nova 8i, its support for 66-watt Huawei Supercharge. With a lot of other mid-range phones, charging tech is one of the corners that end up getting cut in favor of other features. However, in this day and age, having modern fast charging is important, as it decreases downtime and allows you to do more with your phone. From 0 to 100%, the included 66-watt charger is able to fill up the Nova 8i's 4,300 mAh battery in just 38 minutes. That's impressive! To match the charging speed, the Nova 8i also comes with a sizable 4,300 mAh battery. This is definitely enough to last you more than an entire day on moderate usage, which could include playing games, taking photos, and browsing through social media. On top of the capacity itself, Huawei's power-saving algorithms will keep the Nova 8i well optimized and efficient, allowing you to have power the whole day. And even when you do run out, don't forget that you can charge very quickly. Another important aspect for a smartphone is, of course, the display. The Nova 8 gets a 6.67-inch Huawei edgeless display with a full HD Plus resolution and a vibrant DCI-P3 color gamut. It provides sharp details, rich colors, and good viewing angles. You also get a 180Hz touch sampling rate here, which will provide very responsive touch feedback and can give you an advantage in competitive mobile games such as Mobile Legends. It's also easy on the eyes, as you get the eye comfort feature that filters out blue light while minimizing the yellowish tint on the display. This makes it easier for you to browse content for prolonged periods, especially at night. You can find it by going to the display and brightness category in the settings. You also get the natural tone feature here, which will automatically adjust the screen's color temperature to adapt to your surroundings. It works really well as the Nova 8i actually has an ambient color temperature sensor installed in the punch hole. So whether you're in a cool light or warm light environment, natural tone will ensure the most optimal viewing experience. You can also find it in the display and brightness category in the settings under color. Aside from being a good screen though, it also contributes to the Nova 8i's overall aesthetic. It is called an edgeless display, and as you can see, the Nova 8i sports ultra-narrow bezels on the top and sides, allowing for a nice 94.7% screen-to-body ratio. As you probably know, the Nova 8i runs on EMUI 11, which is a feature-packed OS. But as for apps, you also get access to a very wide selection through the Huawei App Gallery and Pedal Search. The Huawei App Gallery already comes pre-installed with any Huawei device and takes advantage of Huawei mobile services to offer cross-platform apps for users who take advantage of the Huawei ecosystem with smartphones, tablets, and PCs, delivering a connected experience. There is a wide variety of apps available through the App Gallery, and some of the top apps include essentials like Gcash and PayMaya, Lazada and Shopee, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Netflix, and everyone's favorite, Mobile Legends. And even if you do run into a situation that there are apps that you can't find on here, Huawei's Pedal Search widget is amazing at finding apps from trusted third-party sources. The Huawei Nova 8i proves to be a robust mid-ranger with powerful features that give you a good all-around smartphone experience. From its design, to display, to cameras, to battery and software, it can deliver to both longtime Huawei fans as well as new users looking to check them out. With that, I think that wraps up this video about the Huawei Nova 8i's best features. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Andre, and we'll catch you in our next video.